If you're not taking your cases to trial because you don't have the staff or the energy, then your case values are going to go way down. But I understand that going to trial is time-consuming and expensive, but you need to do it. Unfortunately, that leaves you with two options. One, you hire a trial attorney, but that's expensive. Or two, you do the trial yourself, but that's time-consuming, especially if you're trying to manage a growing practice and spend time with your family. But now there's a third option. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you how you can take your cases to trial and not hire a trial attorney and not lose time with your family or take away time from managing your practice. My name is Ari Moss, and I try cases for plaintiffs' firms and solo attorneys who don't have the time, skill, or wherewithal to take cases to trial. One of the biggest problems facing us today is that insurance companies don't think most personal injury attorneys are going to go to trial. And so they're offering us pennies on the dollar for good cases, for cases that we would have settled for full value a year ago. And the reason for that is because you don't present any risk to them. If you're settling cases and not taking them to jury, there's no risk that the insurance company is going to have to pay full value for what your client suffered. And so you're faced with a predicament. Either you take a case to trial and lose time away from your practice, or you tell your client they've got to take pennies on the dollar. These are unacceptable options. The problem you might be having is that taking a case to trial means you're not going to have the time to scale your business. While you're in court, you can't sign new clients and you can't settle other cases. Taking a case to trial can cost you money. But here's the problem. The insurance companies are offering you less on all your other cases because you're not taking them to trial. The insurance companies are looking at your history and they know you don't take cases to trial. And so what they're doing is they're calling your bluff. So the way that most of us solve this problem is we sign more clients and take fewer dollars per settlement. But that's not getting our clients what they deserve or what they need to get better. We know when you have a winnable case and you settle on the cheap, you're not doing right by your clients, but more importantly, you're driving your case value down. And the more you continue to do this, the insurance companies learn, and it goes on your track record, and it means that they're going to offer you pennies on the dollar on every other case you bring. When your cases start going to trial, that all changes and settlement values go up. One option is to hire a full-time trial attorney and pay them something like $250,000 a year, benefits, retirement plan, and pay them a percentage of every verdict they get. And if you don't have the volume, that can be very expensive, very fast. Your other option is to work with Trial Lawyers on Demand, a fractional trial attorney service that only tries the cases that you want going to trial and costs you nothing for the rest of the time. Trial Lawyer on Demand partners with you and gives you the resources and time to go to trial when you don't have it. By having a trial lawyer on call ready to try your cases, you can make certain that the insurance companies are offering you full value on every case in your inventory. To learn more, follow the instructions next to this video and contact us today. At Trial Lawyer on Demand, we go to trial so you don't have to.